leaving the quay now, and I'm hoping to film the Harbour Lights. I'll say this is installation 14. See what the views are like from here. So there in the background is King Dingo. Here we go. Lovely. And then it looks very pretty from here. The other nice area to have a view of the MCA lights is actually from the Carl Expressway. So here we go. So I'll label this installation 14. Look, I'll have a look later on the Vivid website. How do they find installation 14? Because they've placed it in the middle of the harbour. So I suspect this is part of the part of the light show, really. Here we go. See, some of the commercial buildings have participated and they've lived up their buildings. Chifley Square, AMP, and the pinkish hue of the station. And here we go. Oh, very pink lights. I do wonder if that's part of the projections. But here we are, and we're just passing the Opera House now. And this is quite nice because you can actually see David McDermott's art installation. Great detail. Here we go. That's nice. Not too busy at the house at the moment, which is no surprise. But here it is. And this is always a nice view. I mean, really, one of the best views of the house installation is from the water. So, got lucky tonight. It's not too busy here on the ferries. So, here it is. So, I think maybe the projections on the bridge are coming from Pinchgut, from Fort Denison over there. See, the lights are beaming, so I have a feeling that Pinchgut is projecting some of the lights. Is that Pinchgut? No. My apologies. I think so. They're at the other side. Must be like Government House or something. So there's the Opera House now. Ferry is gaining up speed, and so as you can see there are no stars in the sky because it is cloudy. It's full of rain clouds. And here we are. Here's another ship, a cruise ship. Well, a showboat cruise. Sorry, not the showboat, but another cruise boat. And here we are. And that is dark waters. We are picking up speed here, and there is the bridge, and there is a projection on the bridge which I will find out later. So they don't show the projection on the western side, they show the projection on the eastern side. I think the only time they did the projection on the western side was during an anniversary. But here is Luna Park with its red Ferris wheel. There it is, the western side of the bridge with all its lights. You can see the rain clouds over there. And I think I'll end it there. If I were on the other side, I could probably show you some of the Barangaroo installations, but I think that will have to be for another night for me. So end of night 1 for me.